Hi, I'm Ben from Adrenaline Off-Road. Just want to talk about a customer's PX3 Ranger build we did this week. The customer chose to have a Piak bar like this one fitted to his vehicle. It comes with winch capabilities and integrated recovery points. Also, it's suitable for the tech pack, sensors and radar. These bars are a bumper replacement, so no cutting off the front bar. The vehicle also had a Safari Snorkel fitted whilst it was with us in preparation for any water crossings. The customer's also planning on towing a caravan, so we fitted a Redarc electronic brake controller and a 12-pin, as well as 2 Anderson plugs to suit.